I got so I think it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Let me see where we're at on this one. It's been printing for 8 hours and 25 minutes. It's at 71%. So this is two pieces side by side, and this is what it'll look like while it's printing. I can't find any other way around printing all the support material in the middle. So I think it's probably not a big deal, but I don't know how much was on this. Like, if it was out to here, I can't remember. But I'm definitely gonna have to order some more stuff, play around with. I saw a couple on Amazon for like $11 for a roll of the PETG. So I'm not gonna order PLA. I don't see any reason to order it. I made a time-lapse video with this, I don't know what you call this, the Mafamil camera, action camera. Anyway, it's on time-lapse. We got 16 minutes. I don't know what the 4 hours means because it's been recording for more than 4 hours. But it'll record the time-lapse. I need to plug in my battery. It's at 35%. But it'd be interesting to see what that video looks like when it's done, of like the time lapse of this thing being printed. I'm imagining it'll be like bloop, 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 bloop. So it'd be cool. So I might have to reprint one of these, not mine, but like the other original one that my friend printed. So, and it would be nice to print these as one piece instead of having to assemble them together. But I don't know how to do that yet, and I saw one of his failed prints that he did have them joined, and it looked like it was designed to print it in one piece but snap in the middle, and that's not what we want. We don't want it to snap in the middle. So I will have to learn a little bit more about this to come up with a way to join the two pieces and, like, make it one part. Otherwise I don't really know how to merge it like permanently. But it would be nice because I don't want to have to really super glue these. But the way they fit on the radio, though, that you can see right here, that's where the screw hole is. And then at the end here, this part where it's on the raft part kind of just slides into the other piece and just sits there. So even if you didn't glue it, it was still pretty much attached to the radio, and it wouldn't really move too much. The main thing is we want to get something on the radio to protect it when it's portable. So I don't mind printing another 6-hour print. I mean, after I'm done with this, I'm going to have to find things to print, I know I wanted to print some legs and stuff for a couple of things. I've got this radio here. I need to measure them, but it uses these short legs, and the same thing with its matching tuner that I have in the storage. So, and then I have an amplifier here where the legs are bad, so being able to do that would be pretty cool. So when this thing gets done, that's probably what I'll do next.